Hi you guys, it's Nikki Lopez. You might know me as the Holy Glassful, and I am here today to talk to you guys about my experience using Glow Recipes' new Watermelon Glow HA Night Treatment. When I first saw this product, I was kind of on the skeptical side because I have dry skin and I get kind of scared, especially when I see things like HA or BHA. It not only helps with resurfacing and brightening the skin, but it also helps with hydrating and plumping. With the Watermelon Glow HA Night Treatment, it actually has 2.5% pH balanced HA complex. Whew, try and say that all in one line. The HA complex in this product is just as powerful as 10% glycolic acid, except it helps to minimize the irritation, and the watermelon enzymes helps with exfoliating the skin. It has a bouncy and jello-like texture. It's so smooth and it feels like butter. And the smell is extremely subtle, which I found so comforting. The application is smooth. I love how my skin easily absorbs this product. It doesn't irritate my skin. My skin was so refreshed. Although this is an HA night treatment, it has 7 weights of hyaluronic acid as well as AMINO-RICH watermelon extract. The niacinamide and QUINOA peptides in this product also helps with revealing even skin tone over time. And I love doing this at the end of my skincare routine, especially in the nighttime. So as a dry skin type, I would have to say I fully approve of this product and I love it so much. I'm so happy that I get to have this on my shelf. I recommend this product to everybody, and you can check this product out as well as other Glow Recipe products at Sephora.